Hi guys, it's 6 o'clock in the evening. Good evening to everyone. So I've decided to make a video regarding Bluetooth. So this is not the regular Bluetooth, which what you use on your mobile phones to listen songs or for calling and a regular purpose. This is not that Bluetooth, but this is gonna work similarly to that. But this is gonna be helpful to you while riding when you are on your bike. It becomes very difficult to attend a call inside the helmet. I have seen people struggling pushing their phone inside their helmet and trying to talk. So this is what is useful for everyone who is into riding or are a motorcyclist or a tourist. This is useful for them. So ऐसा नहीं है, but you can still use it in your regular basis when you are heading towards your office or going somewhere out. So it becomes easy to attend the call inside the helmet without using any kind of mobile phone, or you don't need to struggle, you don't need to push your phone inside, you don't need to keep your AirPods inside. I have been trying keeping AirPods also inside the helmet and talking to people, but the thing is that after a certain time it hurts you where you have placed a earpod in your ears. It gives you a pain after some time. So I came across one product. I'll show you. So this is the product I came across in I guess last week I bought this. So this is the ASG product. Okay? So ASG is a brand which are manufacturing Bluetooth for the helmets. So basically they are into this. So they manufacture Bluetooths, they manufacture intercoms and everything. So this is how it looks on the helmet. So this is the unit, this is that Bluetooth. Okay? So here if you can see, so here is a mic. This mic, if you can see, I don't know whether that is visible in video, hopefully it is. So this is the mic inside that, and here is an speaker inside. I hope it is visible to you. Here it is a speaker inside. I'll show you. See if you can see this. So please zoom in inside. Okay. So here is a speaker inside. So basically you don't need to keep any kind of earpods or something. So speakers are inbuilt into the cushions of the helmet inside. Okay? Here you can speak whatever you want. This is quite easy. You don't need to hold anything, or you don't need to put any kind of efforts. This is easier to you. Okay? So now I'll tell you how does it works. Okay? So basically this device is useful for calling also. This is useful for, you can listen music also. Besides that, this will keep you connected with 8 of the riders who are riding with you. Means if someone else is also using this device, you don't need to call him and be online, or you ride into some destinations where you don't have the network or something. ठीक है, मतलब वहाँ पे network ही नहीं होता and you people are riding over there. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे you don't need to call them. If that rider is also using an intercom, you can just click a button over here and you can just connect with him. You don't need any kind of SIM card, you don't need any kind of network over there. You are just connected with this 1000 meter ke range pe. You can talk to him whatever you want, and this is quite clear. Sound, and that's it. So this will give you the more frequency. जहाँ पे आपकी frequency low थी, या फिर कोई contact में नहीं आ रहा है आपके, या फिर voice में glitch आता है, वैसा अगर हो रहा है, so you just need to pull this out. This will help you जहाँ पे नेटवर्क नहीं है, या फिर कोई कवरेज के आपके जो कवर जोन है इसका 1000 मीटर के, तो वहाँ पे अगर आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी ठीक से नहीं आ रही है तो यू कैन यूज़ दिस इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल. ये कनेक्शंस के लिए या फिर कोऑर्डिनेट करने के लिए ये बहुत हेल्पफुल है. बिसाइड्स दिस इज़ वेरी इजी टू कंट्रोल द वॉल्यूम वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट टू. मतलब अगर कोई हॉर्न कर रहा है या फिर क्या कोई व्हीकल आ रहा है एंड यू डोंट नो, so if you are on a higher volume you can just control it with this. ठीक है, if you are listening to a song that is very good into a music, और बहुत ऐसा उसका बेस है या फिर बहुत साउंडी है, बहुत and uska frequency is very loud and this thing, so you can just control this with this. Okay, so this is quite easy. And here whenever you are riding, so if you want to see, people have habit to listen one song twice, thrice. I to listen one song for 2 days also. So it happens when you are listening to something what you like. So this happens ki you have to again go back and do previous, next. So that is easy with these two keys. You can just control this goes for next and this goes for the previous one. Cool. And besides this, there is an LED over here. I'll just show you. So this is the way ये Bluetooth on होता है, right? So I'll show you. यहाँ पे एक light flash होगा. हाँ. So this is the Bluetooth mode of this, and when it is red, it will go for the intercom. I'll show you the intercom mode also. So यहाँ से आपका intercom connect होता है. मतलब if you are riding with your riders, तो यहाँ से आपका ये बटन प्रेस करने से वो पेयर हो जाएगा and इसका intercom हो जाएगा. Now the best thing is that when you keep this helmet, when you are not riding, when you remove this helmet, and you might be thinking कि whenever you place this helmet on a surface, तो यहाँ पे आपको यहाँ पे ये damage होगा या फिर यहाँ पे लग जाएगा whenever you keep this helmet. So it is not so. So I'll just show you this. ठीक है? I'll just show you. Now I'm keeping this over here. So this is not getting damaged or anything. Helmet जैसा मैं normally रखता हूँ, it is just like that. इसको कुछ नहीं हुआ है. This is not getting damaged anywhere. I can keep this like this also for the whole day, whole night. ठीक है? That's fine. Easy way to disconnect is this. ठीक है? The best part is that whenever you are inside the helmet, your phone is on your handlebar, it's placed on the mobile holder. So the best part is that when you press that buttons, you are not able to see the flashlight on the Bluetooth, right? So when the Bluetooth is on, it gives you a notification inside, audio notification inside. It says it is ready to connect or something. Okay? On the same hand, whenever you are disconnecting it, it gives you an audio notification inside. That is a good part of this. Before buying this product, I was very scared to buy because this product is around 10K. So it is too much for buying an headphones or for buying an Bluetooth. 10,000 is something very big, I would say. But the thing is that I found this product very worth, I would say this, because the wiring that they have used inside, I'll show you. This is so this casing is of metal. So इसको एक metal का covering है. So you don't need to worry कि Bluetooth का होता है कि कभी अगर आपके पास Bluetooth होगा तो उसको अगर wires होंगे तो headphones का wire most of the time the wire goes off and you're not able to listen it. So वैसा I hope इसमें ना हो, because नहीं होगा, because this wire is really very thick. You can see this. You can see this. I guess this is very thick. ठीक है, cool. So this is not gonna affect any kind of मतलब wire का cut होना या फिर disconnect हो जाना. This won't happen in this. I believe in this. So I've used this in the rain also. Now best part of this I'll tell you. Whenever you are riding this, so you will wear the helmet in this way. Okay. So this will be your heading position, right? So यहाँ पे उसका Bluetooth दिया हुआ है. It's over here. ठीक है? It's over here. So whenever it rains, it doesn't go inside it. ठीक है? This has this covering. Okay? This has this covering, right? हाँ. So जब भी बारिश होगी, so that time that rain won't directly go inside. And ये नीचे दिया हुआ है, so that is fine. मतलब इसके अंदर तो नहीं जाएगा ना पानी. So that's what, this is how I would say it is smartly designed. And this video is not for any kind of paid review or anything. You can see my followers, you can see how many people are subscribed. So I am very new to this YouTube and everything. This is all your blessings and everything. I am here, and yes, about this product I find it worth for 10K. Thank you.